Hello students, following question is from part test 2, subject signals and system, chapter Z transform, and the question is asked for 2 marks. We are given a LTI system is characterized by a system function that is h of z is equal to 3 minus 4z inverse divided by 1 minus 3.5 z inverse plus 1.5 z raised to minus 2. And we need to find the ROC of the system if the system is stable. See, always remember, the ROC is always determined by the poles of the system function. Fine. So we would only concentrate on the denominator part, that is poles of h of z. And the options given are: option A is 1 by 2 less than mod of z, option B is 1 by 2 greater than mod of z, option C is 1 by 2 less than mod of z less than 3, and option D is 3 by 2 less than mod of z. So if you solve the denominator part, we would get h of z is equal to 3 minus 4z inverse divided by 1 minus 2z inverse times 1 minus 3z inverse. And for a stable system, we must always remember that ROC must include unity circle. So the only option for which the ROC includes the unity circle is option C. Fine. That is, yes, option C. For option C, there are 2 poles. See, if the system is causal, then the ROC lies outside the outermost pole, so for it should be greater than mod of 3. And if it is anti-causal, then it should be less than 1 by 2. However, if it is non-causal, then it can form a ring, that is, in our case, is option C. So it is the only case in which the ROC contains the unity circle, as well as it satisfies the condition that ROC must not include any of the poles. So hence our final answer is option C. Thank you.